Hey there, CPO here, and I'm doing a tire rotation, 5-tire rotation. Thought I would share with you part of my process. So I've moved, let me see here, I'll just show you. All right, so first thing to come off is the spare. Spare comes down, I pull this tire, roll it up there. Spare comes here. This is the spare tire now on the passenger rear. Once that's buttoned on, drop that. I use a high lift jack. I have jack points on all 4 corners. Come over here, jack this up, pull that tire off, it goes around, and then the one that came off the rear goes on. Jack drops. Come over here, which is where we're at just now. I just lifted this side. That's the tire off the passenger front, and then this one's about to come off. I have it lifted just barely off. So I have the transfer case engaged in 4-wheel drive and have both my lockers engaged just to keep everything from rolling. I'm on a little bit of an incline. I do have a tire chock over there, so but better safe than sorry. So now what I do, because I have these splined lugs and then the locking lug, I don't hit them first with an impact. What I do is break them free with a breaker bar and just get a maybe a half a turn on them just to break that initial torque. And then what I can do is safely come in with the impact and just zip them off real quick. It's kind of a small pain in the butt as opposed to regular lugs, but I do like the benefits of these spline lugs. All right, now that that's off, I'm getting older, so the less I have to move these tires, the better, which is why I only lift them up off the ground just enough. All right. These 37s are heavy. I couldn't imagine running 40s right now. All right, so now what I do is match the lug pattern with the tire on the ground, scoot it up as close as I can. All right, and then now come in here, and it doesn't take a whole lot of leverage to get that on there. Again, having it as low to the ground as possible saves me a lot of hassle on getting these on. Now I start all these by hand. To ensure they're not cross-threaded. Then I'll sort of zip them on. Kind of easy at first until it gets sort of centered. Then I'll just hit them a little bit. They say not to use an impact with these, but I do tend to cheat a little bit, but I'm cautious. And then my torque wrench is set for 100 foot-pounds. always twice. Boom. That one is done. Then I move to the front and I will repeat. But I'm not going to show you the rest of this. This tire is going to become the new spare. That tire will go on there, and that's it. So that's a 5-tire rotation on overclocked. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.